Today, we will talk about top 10 interesting facts about Earth. Earth has never been perfectly round. The planet bulges around the equator by an extra 0.3% as a result of the fact that it rotates about its axis. Earth's diameter from North to South Pole is 12,714 kilometers, 7,900 miles, while through the equator it is 12,756 kilometers, 7,926 miles. This variation is too tiny to be seen in pictures of Earth from space, so the planet appears round to the human eye. Recent research from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory suggests that melting glaciers are causing Earth's waistline to spread. 1. Earth's composition and structure. Earth is composed of several layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The crust is the outermost layer where we live, and it is relatively thin compared to the other layers, ranging from 5 to 70 kilometers thick. Below the crust is the mantle, which extends to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. The mantle is made of semi-solid rock that moves slowly, driving the movement of tectonic plates. The outer core is a liquid layer composed of iron and nickel, and it is about 2,200 kilometers thick. The inner core, which is solid and also made of iron and nickel, has a radius of about 1,220 kilometers. The movement of the liquid outer core generates Earth's magnetic field. 2. Plate tectonics. Earth's lithosphere, the rigid outer layer of the Earth, is divided into several tectonic plates that float on the cement fluid asthenosphere beneath them. These plates move slowly, typically at rates of a few centimeters per year. The interactions between tectonic plates can cause earthquakes, volcanic activity, mountain building, and ocean trench formation. For example, the Himalayas were formed by the collision of the Indian Plate and the Eurasian Plate. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a region with a high level of tectonic activity, including frequent earthquakes and numerous active volcanoes, due to the movement of the Pacific Plate and other surrounding plates. 3. Water abundance. Earth is often called the blue planet because about 71% of its surface is covered with water. The vast majority of this water, about 97.5%, is salt water found in oceans. Only 2.5% of Earth's water is fresh water, and most of it is trapped in glaciers and ice caps. Less than 1% of the fresh water is accessible in rivers, lakes, and groundwater for human use. The hydrological cycle, which includes processes such as evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, continually recycles water throughout the planet, supporting life and various ecosystems. 4. Atmosphere composition. Earth's atmosphere is composed of several layers, each with distinct characteristics. The troposphere is the lowest layer, where weather occurs and where most of the atmospheric mass is found. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere, which contains the ozone layer that protects life by absorbing most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. The mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere are the upper layers, with the thermosphere hosting phenomena like the auroras and the International Space Station orbiting within it. The atmosphere is composed primarily of nitrogen, 78%, oxygen, 21%, and trace amounts of other gases such as argon, carbon dioxide, and neon. 5. Magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron and nickel in its outer core. This geomagnetic field extends from the planet's interior into space, forming the magnetosphere, which protects Earth from the solar wind and cosmic radiation. The magnetic field is crucial for navigation and animal migration, as many species rely on it to find their way. Occasionally, the magnetic poles reverse in a process called geomagnetic reversal, where the north and south magnetic poles switch places. These reversals happen over geological timescales and are recorded in the orientation of magnetic minerals in ancient rocks. 6. Unique atmosphere and climate. Earth's atmosphere is unique in the solar system, supporting life through a balance of gases, including oxygen and carbon dioxide. The greenhouse effect, driven by gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor, keeps the planet's surface warm enough to sustain life. Without this effect, Earth's average temperature would be about minus 18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, rather than the current average of 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Climate and weather patterns are influenced by the distribution of solar energy, the rotation of the Earth, and the properties of the atmosphere and oceans, leading to diverse climates from tropical to polar regions. 7. Diverse biosphere. Earth is home to an incredibly diverse range of life forms, from microscopic bacteria to massive whales. This biodiversity is supported by various ecosystems, including forests, grasslands, deserts, wetlands, and oceans. Each ecosystem provides unique habitats and resources for different species. The concept of the biosphere encompasses all living organisms and their interactions with the abiotic components of Earth, such as air, water, and soil. The biosphere plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate, cycling nutrients, and supporting human life through ecosystem services like pollination, water purification, and food production. 8. Climate change and human impact. Human activities, particularly since the Industrial Revolution, have significantly impacted Earth's environment and climate. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes have increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to global warming and climate change. These changes are causing more frequent and severe weather events, rising sea levels, and shifts in ecosystems and biodiversity. Efforts to mitigate climate change include reducing greenhouse gas emissions, transitioning to renewable energy sources, and protecting and restoring natural habitats to enhance carbon sequestration. 9. Earth's age and geological history. Earth is approximately 4.54 billion years old. The planet's geological history is divided into several eons, eras, periods, and epochs, which record significant events such as the formation of continents, the emergence and extinction of species, and major climatic shifts. The study of Earth's history, known as geology, involves examining rock formations, fossils, and other geological features to understand the processes that have shaped the planet over time. Major events in Earth's history include the formation of the supercontinent Pangaea, the mass extinction events, and the development of complex life during the Cambrian explosion. 10. Moon and tides. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon, which significantly affects the planet in various ways. The gravitational pull between Earth and the Moon causes the ocean tides, with the highest tides occurring during full and new moons when the Sun, Moon, and Earth are aligned. The Moon also stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which helps maintain a relatively stable climate over geological timescales. The formation of the Moon is believed to have occurred about 4.5 billion years ago, likely as a result of a massive collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body. This event not only gave Earth its moon, but also influenced the planet's development, including its rotation and geological activity. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.